say, he don't tell you, now fighting they carry see so Jackie just they misbehave. Any person where you come for, come greet them. Jackie go carry the sit down, they tell they say, we not take care of our mama. Why we go call, we ask my mama that we just they fly, they call once. And my mama that we don't they fly, they call once. Say we go, he go kill us today. Guys, they talk, they everything, he told everything aside that, say we not take care of our mother. Whereas now he not take care of the woman. My mother was well taken off. My own family were there here. All my papa children, they know see my mama were there. We overweight taking off. We take care of our mother so well. Now only he want. Now he not take care of that mama. Now only he want to stop that woman to the extent of even when the woman even the hospital one come on, see they disturb her, they tell her, where they ask her, he tell you, say all these your children, they're not good. See they complain for inside here. Now small rich may not come tell the mama, as mama they die, they complain. As in that small rich may not tell her, say, mama give me money for fuel. Might take buy fuel for my car. Now small I remain, they not tell that woman. As in the hospital with her, where all land they cry there. Now small remain say no tell her, say they give her money for fuel, say you want buy fuel. Jackie, don't they say, people will come, they come sympathize with you. For you to shut up, allow those people to sympathize with you. Jackie don't allow people to sympathize good thing. Jackie begin to insult all of us. Then he with color come one fight. He with the one where I see you, they one fight. All of the ones where in Nigeria, all the two girls and color, they don't already they vex, they paranoid, they be one fight, people they settle them all already before we come down. Do you understand, my people? So now, so everybody, there is people where you call, but the musicians where anything. Stop calling me. See, all of the way they call me for this moment now, I don't like her. This is what I hate. This is what I hate. Since when I they go this my reign, where God called me so. Una never called me to tell me say una thank God for changing my life. Nobody have come to tell me that they like the way I am now. Nobody have told me. Una they leave me make I do my thing. Why now una call they call me? Oh go beluwa. Why how the way back beluwa? But what are they? I need that one. So Jackie, no, now someone reach me not tell mama say me as mama dead point of death. When they hold her, they tell her, tell mama say your children, you see her, I tell you, say me no, you may not the church. They say, someone I reach me for ask that woman say give me money when I take buy fuel for my car, I don't get money fuel. That's small rich. So if we call her they don't fight, you know, they don't get down. All the musicians will come greet her, they don't cast, they tell the rubbish, they tell they say, we don't take up our mama, we leave the woman, now only you want the carry cross, now you do this one. Whereas Jackie no get, if mama no hold her one pin, one common thing, but if they buy expensive clothes, if they buy expensive cars. Mama house, there is no they call her no water. They go they fetch water, they buy water for public this thing. Say please, sis, it's okay, my mommy, my queen, please. See, I didn't love you well no. Everybody no sense now. You buy because woman you want love where family need all working kakabo. So respecting is sorry to insult just now. Sorry. When you want love with the family are okay, but don't call me for this nonsense. Allow me because sometimes when God they want that is God want heal people. You must talk. If you don't talk, you don't go get that healing. Your healing don't go come. Your healing don't just come like that. You just eat totally without even saying what is eating you up. What is eating you? Who my expect for? Hey, anywhere. Me, I'm going somewhere. I've never in my before. That is what my spirit want me to bring out a lot of things a lot of eating thing that is in me that is eating me. I need to expect it. I need to say it. That is what they called me for. I need to kill I need to tell me I should be bold to say everything, including the one that concerns my father. Every you are not concerned me, my tell up. I want to give me nobody will make it good this time around because my God has opened my mouth to speak. And I will be speaking. I will speak. Anybody knowing any as they with Sebagona, no Yahweh, no TN any other. Don't matter you peer up here, one believe, yeah. Dear man, your pia wa magbeli ni ayo ye. Baby no mo we ogbegbe wa. So now so Jackie don dey tell everybody say we no take care of our mother, now he do everything and this and this and so and initially not be me in the target for my mama children, not be me no be me because in mind he know say me say they try well no be me. If I tell you say he no love me, I lie. He love me more than the rest. No be me in the target. Person wey in the target now be other of my siblings, the two of them, the one way they here and the one way they journey. Now he be in target to key. He won't buy them. He won't buy them. And the one way they journey there now, waiting they make her the verse for that one. He say why that one marrow Igbo. Make that one cause they do everything way they do for your hand. That one tell her say he marry Igbo way he marry for real love. Not be to come out. To not be the Igbo, you know, just marry Igbo, may he call they give her money, or may call they use her near. He marry for real love, now he love, now he fine. So you know, come because of you, now they ask your husband, because your husband get money, come they ask her expensive, what you don't need for Nigeria. He call they do off. No! Now Jackie, now he hates that one for. The one where he dey here with me, where he enter pastory, before that one enter pastory, before when he was here with me, I tell her, say, my sister, me, I don't do prostitute for this Europe. And I don't want as you come down, because now me bring her from Holland, because now Holland, best way carry, I don't know my papa carry that one come. Best way carry that one, now Holland carry and come. That Holland, now me for sponsor her to here. By that time where they tell her, she they spend almost, if I'm not mistaken, she's spending 18 years or 18 to 20 years now here with me. By that time, 2,500 euro, now plenty money. 2,500 euro is a big money. But I can't get some people where they do that connection. I can't talk to one bros. The bros goes okay. He get person. The bros till today still did this malaga. The bros know everything. If they forget all these things, me, if I even forget, my spirit go give me everything that I forget. I will bring her to my mom way back. So now so I can't give that guy. The guy can't bring my sister, come get the contract together. I say, bring her, I can't give her 2,500 euro. Now my sister take day here. So as my sister come, I come and tell my sister, say, I don't want me you do Igbiyabia. Asha, what me do? I don't want me you do am. You see this my pikin, you they take care of her for us. Anything you want need, I go they give you. Understand? She can't dey inside music. She can't let her find friends where be like say they all of the day inside music together. You know, friends call they pump the follow her, you understand? Because now he get where get vibe, where get one kind big vibe. She just done herself for noticing. Get one kind big vibe that time. People who are Malaga know what they talk. My sister, where they here, where come the pastor so. She ran for this Malaga. She ran. As a person ran for good. Music, nobody sing past this, my sister. Nobody sing past her. Nobody sing. I never see person who sing music past this, my sister. That time. Body music. She can't dey here. I can't say that one make she work on. She should come there as she not come the work. She can't go out with this. Because see this your husband where he married so. Come the friend and come the okay now. Let me want they go out. They do my life where I don't start now. I don't want me she start. So now so this my brother Jackie come call her. Say me she come meet her for Italy. Say me come meet her for Italy. Say he may come greet her. That one come go greet her. As he read the night come tell that one say now he mates then they go work so. Say no go work, sit down for us there. He no want work. Say I tell us may no work. Sit down for her. May go working. May go find money. You need to make himself. You need to have house. You need to have this one. Come bring what small girl. That time that's small girl. Come bring what that one come enter street. Now Italy, no na has the girl. Now Italy that one for start. Come the enter street. And I made a really be happy. I felt bad on it. You understand? But I don't be me born for Benin. I go live and make it life. I know somebody can't give me the 2,500 euro now. Now free I take pay that money. So I go live and make it do it life. Now so the girl can't start to she can't live her life. She can't make money, can't expose go, you know. She can't there her whole day. Now I have to wait that one side for that place. Do you understand? So as we all come down now, Jackie don't start. Why we go come here? For where all people will come greet us. wey come sympathize. That very day wey we dey come down for inside that car wey carry us come for Lagos, I still meet musicians wey surround am. Dem Alaska, everybody just surround Jackie for that place. Inside there, Jackie still dey merge. Caller come dey tell me say abeg o, they know you. All of them come dey pet me, make I never talk o, make I never talk o, make I never. I come see calm down. I see calm down. I come enter house. As we come enter house, all of us, my younger sister wey dey Germany, that one dey mend because initially she need to mend because she has tried a lot. She has tried. She marry Oyibo, not be say she is our slave. She's not our slave. Do you understand? She have tried. So she need to mend. Even when somebody they do for you, and you know they give that person thank you. You know they hype that person. You know they hype her. That person power go they fall. Any person when they help you, and you know they hype that person, the power go they fall for your side. Yes, of course. The person must get this negative thought like, what am I? Why am I doing these things? You go they hate on everybody. You go they vex anyhow. The girl don't they para on her own. I can't say make they rest. Make they rest. Make they look matter. Wetin happen? I come go ask her say, Jackie, why you dey talk say we don't take care of our mama? Why? And these things wey you dey do so, na temptation. This one na wetin enemy wants to hear from us. They know say this woman don pamper us, don cover everything for us. If we dey quarrel, this woman dey make sure say we know that is, dey make sure say we dey show love to each other, no matter what you don do for us. Jackie, why all these things? Let peace reign. Let us do this burial well. Who say make I talk am? As I go meet her for inside that room, na so Jackie hit me for mouth, pizza. Na so he just hit me for mouth. My mouth come swell up. I thank God that they say my own mouth said my teeth no remove. Now wetin this my sister, my mama sister, wey be call theater, they will be wish. Now wetin that one they tell me say I even thank God say if not be say she dead there, say my teeth for comot. You don't know wetin dey worry Jackie. Because even Jackie himself come they notice and say if that one there for where he dey, he go get one kind of body like this. The thing go they do and make him kill his sisters, make kill his sister. Jackie use him mouth talk her. Tell me after he don't hit me for mouth. When I come later cry, I come the color come later go meet her. That one come quarrel with her, one fighter. They come try to settle us. Now he come on me again. Come they tell me say I'm sorry. Because they tell me say you don't know why theater they always they call me. Yeah, they tell us they do like person when they tell us say he don't do, and they see they watch the thing for her. The thing they go they eat it body like this. They eat it body today with her. Now I say you know that one. Why you know feel there is you know feel handle this. With this arrow where they throw, so you don't feel handle. If you know say your spirit they tell you say this person the energy no they give you good vibe, you go handle her. Yes, not be anything. Any yamugyobo. When no daily, you are just panicking in the way. Why judging the me? I do her to her. This my mama sister so she know me now. I do her to her. I tell her to her office. Instantly she give me way. Instantly she give me way. That is why they say violate take it by force. Anybody has any neighbor? Yes. But if you keep quiet, your spirit is telling you this person's energy is not really good for you. The energy they make you they do pass yourself. Push that energy out. Push out. In short, use that thing where the energy they give you. Put out for your body. A man and one. Come relate rest for make them use her to the extent of the day. Wetin happen? And anything wey una go tell me, except say I carry Jackie May go native doctor. I carry Jackie go any altar. Go talk say may he die or may anything happen to her at all. Now my spirit, my God of universe, Mother Earth, even my own mother, Yalekwe, my father, they no go. Make Jackie answer a karma. If not, Jackie must answer a karma, bigger one from the body. Only one thing go make me to evil when the karma will play you, when the karma will continue to play you. The time when you go come reach when you yourself go call Jackie, you yourself go call they ask yourself say, why me? You call they ask yourself say, why me? Now that time when you go know, you understand? Now I go come tell you this one I want to tell you so. I say that person, that girl that girl wey record come give you, when you play for my ear that night, when you the girl tell you say your sister looks like a junkie in social media, when make they call me junkie for social media, until you provide that girl for me. If you don't provide that girl for me, make I know how that family or that girl reach this life. You will now only death I not pray for you, but where is a mission? They can well tell you. Where is a mission agbona? Where is a total and big boy? He way ya no be ya. Here is a filu big boy. Excellent, madame rana vision here. Excellent, madame rana vision here. Again, you know, be recording it well. No, don't see any and you are seeing a junkie. That girl, woman are here, la than me. Ni kaya get big jigger, ni ya get big girl, ni ya get kenya kwase. Ni ya get dating ya iya osalo bono jagbo no jeyimi. Ni ya get big girl. I will never forgive you. My spirit will never let you be. Your own mother, it will not be on the magba already. Hera not be on the magba already. They will never allow you to be in this life. She must face a karma, a big karma down. In short, until you bring her that girl, you will a karma where is it? Why is it? If you look back, where is it? Any sound we cannot touch you. Gbagbo ri okuwe gbagbo lo ya okuwe to we te duku e to sa o mi lo we gbegbo wa spirit dey can we see any go sane o sane tani kilo kan we na this Jackie come play that music, he come play the record for my ear. When he don dey beat me oh, you understand? I see they forgive her. So the essence say Jackie do me rich, he can't allow them, all of the useless of my mama children. He can't use them, he got rich color, all of them, body the one where they call them, even Jackie Pikin, Sandra and Osula. Sandra, who did you Sandra? You may because what the book have which book and better was saying. What the book where our ancestors in the lawyer better was saying. Let's say, even go reach that pikin, they can't say my enemy don't dey color. They say I don't decrease, say I dey color. They can't tie my leg, they can't gather, carry me. Because I can't vex come out for house, make the quarrel come down that night. You know, I can't vex. That night now, I can't carry, you get one guy where they do, what they call him? The guy they do civil defense. The guy they love me, just like me anyway. So the guy now, the night color carry where they can be doing civil defense, that be their head. But the guy initially just love me, just like me, just want to date me. So the guy now they come call the guy, say, see what they happen. The guy say, no, for this night, you don't go leave me, make I waka go where they go. For this save your way bad anyhow. Only me one just the waka for Mero, they say they don't go green. So the guy now can't drive their motor, come pick me for down where the waka they go, leave everybody, leave friends, come pick me for down. As they pick me, the guy come, oh, they know say when boys go hold you ransom, and me a baby woman, how I want to fight them. So I come, they come press me at her car, say that they go, but they want carry me go hotel, carry me go any hotel, you understand? So from there they come divert, come mama house again. Now I come shout, say this guy, you carry me come mama house again. I want make I come out. How will they allow me come out that night? All these things will come happen for social media, for not happen. See you understand? How the boy carry me come mama house again. Now so my brothers, Jackie, Kola, my mama children, all of them just carry me. Now so they just carry me. And so they just carry me for ground. Use rope tie me, say I decrease. They say I don't decrease. Hey, Salobua. Yeah, what's one you call me? Just the one they give me medicine of grace. So they say I decrease. And this thing where they say Unana, I've seen it. I don't dream about her before. I don't dream her. Me in a way no say I don't decrease. They say I don't decrease, so they don't tie my leg, tie my hand to say I decrease. But the one way say he said nasty pastor where they here. All of them just dance, just face on me. They against me say I decrease. Now they are going to talk say I don't decrease. Why una go tie me? I can't dey cry. Why una go tie me? Why? Una where they fight for? Una where me they fight for? Una tie me for ground like this? Why una go tie me? Hey, I can't dey cry. You can't get one musician picking where be they call this girl. When swear, Ediendo we not no say that girl we sing that Ediendo something. No tell me no say. That girl come because of me come my house. Come say you want to stay with me. With one of my friends where they with me they call Kolo. So that one come say, one come start nice with me, one day with me. Now that very day, that girl go come. Again, my mommy, if they tear born again, it's tear born, yeah, in short. Everybody come, they even they join, they say, I decrease. That one baby pass. If you no pray, may you get siblings where it's a bit do competition. No pray to have them. Hey. That one come even join, they say, I decrease. But that one come, they pet me. Now that one come listen to me, say, make they leave out, make they leave me for her, make they release me. They come release my leg. Say they make they release me, say, he go talk to me. He go talk to me. Now that one come carry me inside one room. Come they tell me, say, if I dey shout like this, they go see the talk, say I decrease. You understand? Me, as me they shout now, even if they scare, you understand? Make I know that so that they go notice, say I know decrease. And okay, bring me bitter my alemo, what they call her, that drink where they drink that time, what they call her, orange drink. I say, give me my orange drink where they drink that. Give me cigar where they drink. For this, inside that room, I know they smoke for inside room. But I got to smoke inside room. I don't want to go outside because it was late. I can't smoke throughout that night. They cry, they tell the girl, say, all of you know will be my friends. So I don't want to see you now for my life again. One I don't near me again, short. One I don't follow me again. I don't need anybody. I can't just make them come out, I drive them. At the end of it, they constantly beg me, but they beg me, now me they do that thing. Now me, they inside, everything they inside my mind. I wish as Jackie cry come, I join Jackie, they beat them. Jackie for happy, because Jackie no come for me. Now they come for. But Una when me they, because of Una, I don't want me Jack because now Una really try. Mostly the one where they journey, you really try. We take carry the bodies of father, carry the shame of the father, the shame of the mother. You carry and you clear them for shames. When they for shame, when the word for shame, they for how long in music. At the end, evil has nice sister. Because of that, I be person where they good. I don't want me person they beat ever. So I got to join to fight that fight. Now I see they come and say I decrease. I can't to that get tell me say make I do like person wey no decrease now because if I dey shout now I decrease. So may I do like person wey no decrease now. I can't to do like person wey no decrease. They got to break. They break. Na so I can call one brother wey get hotel. Now call her friend. I can call the brother. I can say bros, open door for me. I dey call your hotel. He say I'm in your service. But that brother I too like him. Even though I get money, I not get money. If I just call her, they open door for me for your hotel. He said because my mama really try for her. My mama don't help her. So it just be like family brothers to us. And they call her Epa Bonifo. They Iyama be Jiwa, something like that. I don't know. Capriona. Like he has there. House 92. That be the hotel. A very nice man to me. Now I just call him. He said, Pemi, are they? Because they hear what they happen. They say you run come up for us. Come. And make it tell them make the clear one room for you. Now so I say go meet the brother that next day. I call the cry. He call see make I enter house. Me I go freshen up. I can't go freshen up. Now I can't tell her everything. Cause now so it happen. My friend now. This my friend not made the way Jackie won't push me for inside where he puts that where they record that record where he play for my ear where he come make me the made down the fighter when the girl they talk say your sister looks like a junkie in social media. That I call the fight Jackie now say that who be that person where he talk that word you must tell me who is that person. Oh what be the girl? Oh what be girl? Because I never see any girl when you don't date. I never even see any person where he reach my status. Never. Even when I was still inside drink, I dey smoke. I never see person where friends where they work out with me. They know what I dey talk. I never see who reach me. The grace where I carry two over SS. Now you call me junkie. Say get one get the time you say I be junkie. Are you mad? You know the grace where I carry. You know who I be. Me where I do a shower, I don't see money. I don't use a shower money to do anything. I use a shower money to bless people. I don't even do the ashawo. He may hear for funu. Now God is saved. God is saved in heaven. Now he helped me by himself. Now God bless me by himself. Send family to me that bless me. Do you understand? One girl will come tell you say your sister looks like a junkie and you be laughing and dying. There is gossiping me with the girl. Are you crazy? Did he come make me spark? Why I come make me call talk say the girl where you they go out with person where you get husband where they malaga here where you they go out with I never come quarrel with you. Say the man, I know the man. I make me talk that word. I know even call the girl name. I don't know that people don't they monitor your handle according to Omewa. He said they don't they monitor the girl handle. They don't they monitor her for Jackie page. Say your husband don't bring the matter can't give her. They don't they look they see because the girl they use Jackie music always. They use Jackie the poster they all those kinds they have been monitoring that girl. Say that word that he can trigger the thing when me come talk. Now make them go say yes. Wetin your husband they suspect na true. Now then they in with the husband they come conclude. Say yes. Now they start today. They beat Jackie. Do you understand? So now wetin happen led to even the way our neighbor gets that way. Jackie do not put me for inside because I don't try. Even that is we say person don't try for family. I have tried. You might not tell me it's your baby. You see this water. My mama asked after we renovate her, we go to fetch water for neighbor. They use money. My mama they use money go they buy water. They fetch. No, no, more. Omo na Jackie. Me away. I'm a fee afford Jackie bees. I may not get money now. I'm a rich Jackie wife way die. I'm a rich the other Jackie wife way they locate go London. I may reach their class. I may not reach their class now. I may not get money now. Now I may do burial. I may get money to do burial for us. I may not go. I may no wow. I may go no time with burial the family Sula. Jackie no see money. You know if he put where for a mama house. You know if people now we still donate money with color after mama don't die. Now we can say if they want cook they will see cause they use cause they buy water. Now we can't answer about ourselves. Say no, they not go they buy water. We must do it. My gige Jackie. Some of us go see the grumble say the house now we just repair and Jackie go carry and you want go stay for the Nigeria. We still answer that to ourselves. No, we are not staying there. Now see you go. We go to want to not be our brother. We don't bear her. Let's do it for our mother's sake, for our mother burial to be peaceful. Now we can't take people well. So now so I can't come up for the house home. I can't go that my hotel. So as I reach hotel now, that annoyance of that fight now, I can't enter live video. Begin they cause because I know say they follow me for live video. Color way they stupid way they inside. We go over now they say where I not go when they call no. They say maybe we look well boost. Oh where you dey ban. Oh where dey ban because anyway we die me. Jackie maybe we want quarter. Oh we want see. Oh we say why ya? Osula ba me anu wa papa. Except we mega in any dani who down wa. Imana any damp bani who down wa. But any came in the split in your way. Oh bu me auntie. But you are any dani who down wa. Who are ya near? Who are begging me to wa? Now go more see me for the body. Now see me. Not to do me, not to cast me, not to make me have cast, not to destroy me. Kola can say my yoga ones, not be my deep one way senior me, yoga ones on my battery children. He call all that day, make they come, whether make they come kill me for the hotel. They come with guns, they come with gun. You don't say they be courtesies, they be courtesies now. They come with gun. You go all that day, make they come. Yoga ones, so I they tell you so. My yoga ones, they come with gun with their boys. Make they come kill me, or make they come. According at the end of it, they say make he send them. Make they come remove phone. Make they come take the phone from my hand, my phone. Why they do video? As they call now, my friend, we dey inside the team. Will they do that video? I can't say me my friend say he want go buy drink because now let me want the drink orange bitter. My friend can say he want go buy drink where in the drink. That one can go the bar. As he go the bar, they come back. She be enter inside the bed, sit down because they do video. That thing I say me go lock the door. My spirit tell me to tell her to lock the door. That class me go lock the door. He say make I leave her now. I say nobody dey come in. I say go lock the door. Now she go lock the door. She dey watch me now. As she locked the door, immediately she's just locked the door. These people don't they know. Now I tell her, say, make she shut up. Make she don't talk. Make anybody not talk. And so we shut up. Me, I do video, I can't keep quiet. I want call the talk. You understand? Which is very man where get hotel. Don't they stop there. Don't they try to stop there. They can't even eat the man. You know, eat there. Yeah, they go here. That man call they try make them not come meet me. They not that is, you don't know what they want to do for you. Anything they want to do to me. That one call they struggle with them. They push the man. They push her and they come to us and mind the business. They say they want to collect phone from my hand. Now the man says they say now. The man call us, they say now only phone I want to collect for your hand. He say yes. He say yes. No, no, go touch her. They say yes. Now the man call say okay. Now the man say allow them. The man call even follow them. Come follow them. They knock. I know open door. We come be quiet. We not talk. Now so they take come out. They say I not talk again. They come out. I come carry on till 12 o'clock the next day. The man ye care for ladia. Man wants a maladia. Now the man I call later coming for 4 weeks. He ain't bad. Ni ladia. Before I call ladia. The man I come go meet the man for where we sit down. Now the man call say Pemi, we are we and I. He go talk to Kola. Kola not supposed to do this thing. Kola fuck up. That one call the man say no. Now I call they tell the man say these people come now. No matter what say they come. Maybe they feel come for good or they want to collect phone for my hand. Person when I want to collect phone for your hand, una know say I stubborn. Say I go people know una fight. I think injure one of una. I make now maybe like friends wanna pack up. I think injure one. That one can't use by mistake anger now can't shoot me or eat me for when not supposed to eat me. At one or who are game any. I call the house the man. The man say now true. He reason that thing. Let they carry this stop there. Because you know say I go fit follow the fights. I be my friend too. That one no door. That one go join me follow the fight. Do you understand? So at the end, if they can't injure me or injure that my friend, because see that they talk about my friend, say that my friend, now that one they trigger me, now they only they make me they do what they do. So now that one they want even beat self. So at the instead of beating that one called down come. So me and the man call the reason now. Now say this family, get how they take them. They don't get brave. They know the reason where. I don't know why God even carry me enter for that family. I call the tell this man. The man call say make I rest. You know, for the moment now make I just leave live video. Make I not do live video again. Make I let Mosi burial go well. Now so okay. So I call it from that place. They come. They settle the matter. I call it from that place. They go mama house now. Mama house. Which order of my sister, my siblings now when they fight for. All of them come pack their set. They are 4. Come pack their set. Go one glitter because the hotel when me dey. Now the man hotel. Now hotel. As far as you get you have your privacy. As far as the hotel is, you feel sleep and wake up with hotel now hotel. You know me say hotel. Say they know they hear the hotel name. They know they hear a name like that. That means hotel now rubbish. No be rubbish. No hotel be rubbish. You know hotel no be rubbish. As far as you know the inside pit toilet. Now you they put. Hotel now hotel. All of them are equal. Do you understand? So but this my sister where they journey. She they like because whenever she they come with her husband like that, she they like to stay for better hotel where be big money. Do you understand? She come pack the rest people go even give their rooms. They can't do that place. From their better side of their hotel can't face my own hotel now. Because the hotel where they carry with a big money, that one 5-star. They call them nearby my own now. So from there they will from there go my house. Me I will from here go my house. And so we call them do one. So we call say now. And now we be your now to ourselves. So now we go cut money for ourselves now. Do you understand? For the burial rates. Mama they try to settle the fight about for me and Jackie. For why Jackie ate all mama children, they fight all of us. They call Jackie. Jackie call the talk say he carry burial go so next year January. Say why we go come down? Why we go fly down? Instantly mama die. Why we know they Nigeria can't take care of our mama before my mama die? They can't put that one for hands. Okay. You were there Nigeria. You know if you want go, if Jackie want go mama ask, now to go ask for fuel money. He never eat. Now they go mama ask, go they ask. You never carry your mama, may you sit down one day, may you sit down with her, play with her, sleep for that house with her. You never do one. You never even carry your mama go hospital by yourself, if mama is sick, you never do one. You never spend on your mother. You now they go Nigeria just like every month. Every month. Sorry, bro. You never, you dey go Nigeria, anybody just say every day, now you dey go Nigeria. You no fit take care of the mother, not the same mother wey born me na born you. You dey expect now, say maybe you die, the one wey no get husband, wey no get husband, me because I no get husband, because of una now I no get husband. But if I no get husband, I no get children, wey I wan take care of. The money wey I take dey spend, dey follow una, no be work I dey work till dey get that money. Then I can't leave everything, then I can't go sit down there, they take off your mama. Or make the ones where get husband for house, make they leave their husband, make they come sit down, they take off their mama. You now when you get wife plenty busy everywhere, get girlfriend, get concubine everywhere, get children where you not fit take off everywhere. You don't get problem, you are just alone. You don't have anybody around you, you don't have children in the house, you don't have wife in the house. You not fit sit down, make you take care of mama. Jackie come out, begin they spread bad things against us, begin to destroy, they fight us unnecessary. Egbe tell us say they want you now, make you talk the dates where you want to do mama burial, because the way you they go now, it's like they go join this small one now, put hand for their put your head for their hand now, make they go do the burial for your head. That is, make they just throw away you. They go put everything, say they'll give them their blessing. Now they can say, no, we have go back, no, we go back. January go down. Because they try to beg and say, we just they finish that the burial. This one happen, so let us just bury mama, all of us go rest. We beg this boy, we beg her. Because as the thing happen, we still get my family where they here. I know say as the thing just happen, they send me go Nigeria, so they use them on their church mind to buy me ticket home. They know say as I go home, now then they put money for my account where they use for Nigeria. I know say they themselves go sponsor the burial. They go give me the money where I want to do the burial, so that I go just call as once now. Even my younger ones, they know say as we just come down that moment, their guys with their income, the money where they bring go let us stay do the burial. Closer, enter assy. Jackie will and Mom will go back till next year. You forget say where you they see money, not be every the way you they see money, you know they put. They go. So now so we can't do. All of us come flow back, come. As we come back now, you say na January, we call the prepare for January. We put ourselves for group. They start ourselves contribution. Me I contribute more bigger. The one where they join me, they follow me. We come like say me and she they do competition. As first, I felt my contribution first was the traditional rain where the Egbe say what we do, where they give us to pay. I just get money to do that one. I never buy tickets. You understand? Me now, I don't want to put the bodies again for my family where they here because they don't try. They can not really job awful. I know because if they be Oyibo, make I begin to squander their money. They have spent more than for my papa burial. For me, they have spent more than less than 6,000 to 7,000 euros for my head. Do you understand? Even coming to my mother's burial where I take on, go and come, they don't they spend more than 3,000 euros. I been wish my children dead here now. Now of course they put bodies for their bodies. No. I can't reason and say I get property where I will once said before. Do you understand? I call the find buyer to buy who want buy that property. I never buy tickets who I want to go home. I never the money where they go will start ourselves. I never know how I want to get her. Do you understand? Now so I call the find buyer to buy that property. So the money where the buyer they talk, I don't like and they say 6 million, which I put up for 12 million. I can't go call this my pastor where they call her Bolifo. I'll go call her say, Pa, help me find person who want buy this thing. I want sell her. He go instantly see person where they talk. The person say, I'm a banana I be. I can't send out the video. Say, see, I don't be down issue. So the man can say, okay, you know, say nobody will ask where now you ask where you the bid put. Now you want sell. Now the land, may you give me 5 million, you know. So may you give me 5 million. He say me I know and me I know. I call the truth. Say me and now I say, but not they sell on 5 million. I don't listen. So now there I called to my brother say, where the find person wey wan buy this thing, so I know say you get money, that's scholar wey dey side. I know say you get money. Why you no kukuma just buy am? Maybe like say the thing dey house. Just buy am that 6 million. Maybe like say the thing dey house. Do you understand? I can't tell her like that. So, but if Miss Wale, as I tell her that one, if my brother wey get sense, he go ask me, say, sister, what you want use money do? Since I get the money, what you want use the money do? What buy you meti ye bo wana ye carbo na ti ya ma ba wani ye ne jiaro yi. What buy meti ye bo ti boss e wani. Sister iku enu hion. Why you go ya tu gwa le have the ticket.
You know what time it is? But
I can't tell my brother, I say, okay, this house now, you understand? I don't already build down. So maybe you just kukuma just carry this thing, you know. Just carry on, give me 6 million. They suffer, they pay the money. Anyhow you take pay, you understand? Because I need to buy ticket and all. So but I was expecting him to ask me, say, at least what you want use money do when you want make you sell this thing. Do you understand? Why you want sell them? No worry, the money you want, the money you want to buy ticket. So he no even ask me, he just come and say, okay, he go buy him. Understand? First, if he just give me 1 million. 1 million, as he bring the 1 million, I can tell my younger sister, where they Nigeria, I can say, okay, take 500,000. Go they find store, because you know if you just sit there like that without you doing business. You understand? When you say see they do get something where you see they do, at least and they are near Google, you know. Take this 500,000, all and first. Go find store, go find where you feel they operate, they go outside. Away from it, yeah, you go at the store. No knowing that one can't even they look the money like she say 500,000, how did you go at the store? I'm not even gonna have the store, I'm about the 500,000. I know the hang come on. Now wait trouble come. What did that one see do me? What did tell me? I see something for this life. Except it you walk. Except waiting me who are yako. Emi ya nimetana. Except me who are yako. He may look money who are. All me go no mume. All me no go only men in a buba ye. Buba ye seba. Now I call you the money like she say. Well, now we going. No problem. So I can say, okay, this 500,000, give color, make color give the egbe for the egbe rate, what is the same we buy. No, I know, I can't make give color for caskets on. Because initially the caskets, now Jack is supposed to buy that casket. Now Jack is supposed to buy casket as a senior son, according to them, because I don't know tradition which like that. But color now tell me say there's now Jackie, right? Now he's supposed to buy casket. Oh mama. So they ask Jackie now, Jackie we able. How much Jackie still put again? 400,000 ya tie born Jackie. The man they told on I don't know whether for the whether he join society or the society they tell us say na 400,000 I do they contribute for your papa and mama burial. I don't know for her. Jackie could still bring 400,000 for your mama casket. And that casket when color go search for the casket we want buy for my mama. All of us, guys, he bring more than 3 times. All of us point one, say this one, they okay for us. Now this one I will want. Do you understand? Even if Jackie say yes, this one. And that one, he be like say na 2.8, I be something like 2.8 or 3.8. Now we take buy that casket. Now Kote Jackie say, now you supposed buy this casket. You understand? You can't go bring 400,000. With force, so now with force, still take bring out that 400,000. With force. Now we don't go leave her now because we they do according to him. He said January. So that January now we still have more than 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months ahead. Do you understand? Oh, this thing wants to cut. This thing wants to cut. Come let me come back again. I go finish this video. I must finish this topic today. Guys, if this thing cuts now, I will still come back again. Understand? If this one I have 4 minutes, let me just say 5 minutes to cut. If he cuts, I will be coming back again. I go finish this topic today. So I'm not going to repeat work. Jackie, I don't do this one. I know I don't do this one. So whenever my spirit leads me again, to come finish everything where I never finish for this my calling to stand. I go finish and go they come one by one as they lead. So then Jackie Jackie come bring that 400. So we don't fit just come leave her now because he bring 400. No support us again. More we leave her. More we leave the program. The way we they pay for the things down. So I can say, okay, Kola may not worry. I can tell my younger sister, say that 500,000, go give Kola, may join that with the one way Jackie bring come. So anyone where I get again, I'll come bring put John. Kola can say he go see put. Kola can see put one. Like I said, that 1 million or 500,000. That Kola see put. One sister where they Jeremy can see put money. So the rest can still screw themselves put money. Come to buy that casket where our art carry. Like I said, 3.8, I be 2.8. Then we buy that casket. We can't buy that casket. Only money where Jackie put was that 400,000. We can't say okay. But we can't finish. Until that burial, my mama burial. Everything what we do, even goat when they do something for traditional way, goat, fowl, pot, everything. Now Jackie supposed buy according to them. Jackie no green support, no green John, no green do everything. My brother Kola come tell me say sister, if Jackie no do one, and you call the thing, call you the thing, call reach body. I beg, I know say you don't try, but anyway you God go answer you. You understand? God will do it for you. That one can say okay. That one can do. He can't give. He can't say make I go buy the thing. They not be in. He not get the right to buy the thing. Now me, after Jackie not do, now me go do one. So I got to go buy all those things. You understand? With my money, waiting suppose where Jackie buy, now me go do one. You understand? Clear all the mess. Which all this thing where they talk, everybody where knows about it know what I'm saying. Do you understand? So I can't go buy all those things because of my mama funeral. To call Nigeria, buy tickets, to call do mama burial, to support, make sure say we do mama burial because not be all of us na in the hand reach like that. You understand? Jackie no support anything. Even when they are 24 bits and everybody support Jackie, they give her. I mean no see support. Now only Julie London na buy me goat for my papa funeral. Where if I say goat, where buy me cow, only Julie dollar. Where God go bless. Now only he one I support me with a past social media support me with 50,000 naira. Yes, past social media support me with 50,000 naira. Meanwhile, for my papa this thing, I think say my papa. Meanwhile support me with my papa. That was support me with 100,000. Yes. Now all those people. Now he support me with friends, some friends where I still get. I'm so evil people where they here, where just support. You understand? But yes, I thank God for them. Me, I don't work money for their pockets where he supports me. Do you understand? But say Jack person where he see support massively, Jackie massively see support for people. Both my papa and both my mama for Jackie only afford for 400,000 for two various what we do. Jackie only afford for 400,000. Do you understand? He not do anything past there. Now Kola massively take the responsibility. Me and the other one where they journey with the rest people they still support with the little one they have. Do you understand? So now so we can't set mama this thing party finish. Kola we can't carry tent where Kola can give us tent. We 5 girls. Come give us tent. Why Kola get a lot of meeting where that one join meeting. The party baby one. He join meeting full everywhere. You understand? The meeting where that one join. I met a car. A Kola one with the full grant for the school. I Kola carry all the grant. Now only tent. Now no as tent be now. Now only tent we the rest 5 girls there. With Jackie, Kola control where Jackie come meet us for inside that tent. You understand? Which inside that tent, they got to still give Jackie everything. The only thing what we deprive Jackie for inside that tent that the gift what we share. Yes, because that gift we tell the wife, may wife support money to buy that gift plenty so that we fit cherish Jackie people. You understand? But the wife Jackie tell her say if he see her say he support. Now me even go let her fight that his wife. Me I not be. May I just let this thing. May I start for that his wife side. Let this thing finish. May I come back again. Let this one finish. May I come back again. May I start from that his wife. So we even take her like somebody who will take put her join this contribution. That is we call her person. That make us we put her journal. He say I beg. Me will not tell a husband though. Say because he not go green. Now I say okay. You know say your husband. Wetin happen the other time for my papa burial. Where because of you that your husband come slap my sister wey quarrel be wan stand for that place. I don't want make the thing come for this mama also. Now make us call you so if you want make they serve una food, make they serve everything wey we use, make una follow us use am. so come join us support. She say okay, how much? We say make she bring. Now we say okay, for the general donation wey we donate, you understand, anyone wey you feel wey you go fit donate support, just talk your own. She come say okay, she go support with 1,500 1.5, yes. Say she go support 1.5. Now we say okay. Then as first, e be like say she first send my sisters wey dey keep the money for Nigeria. She first send 500,000 or 1 million. 1 million I send for that one, I think so. Come send 1 million, don't quick and send 1 million. The next day, the husband called my brother Jackie, say no, say the woman support us, we not call no. Now he can't go dey fight that one, say why he go support us? Why he don't come give her the money? Why he don't come give her the money? Why he go give us money? Why he don't give her the money? Come support that one, come say, see wetin he do, he know they join again, you understand? Say even your husband they beat her, say why he go support us? Why he go bring money come out? He tell am make they run for us, make all his wife no one dey talk to us. Now only this very one wey be like say no one me he dey use this very one anyhow, because this one I don't know whether he no see husband married before for his life wey fair come. Do you understand? He dey see this one they use well. So the rest one now, anything wey he tell those ones, all those ones go to take am. If tell they say run for this, run for my family, that one although they go run for your family. All those ones they talk about, they just to run for us. As Jackie say, me they not near us, they not to near us. But this very one, that one not, you know they take wetin Jackie they talk. You see they come to us. Do you understand? So Jackie come quarrel with her, because say when you the back, but 100,000, 1 million, how much they say? Understand? Because they want to prepare for their side. I say okay, you see try. Understand? We can't forget about that one. Now I come see call and say the thing we want to share. You understand? We want use rice. We want buy some gifts. We want to share for people. We come this funeral. But you don't come be say that day you say we don't see share something for una. See what you want buy. The girl come say okay, he go add money to my sister. We want buy her for Lego. May help and do their own side. He come say okay. Now how good we have, because of the way our mother was not even wanting that fight as first in my father's time. So see the woman don't die, I still carry the rain for her, so that make the rain not to still fall. We allow that one, the girl come to come buy the things we will do. Since I tell her, say see what we do or what you want to share. If you don't forget all of them that we are share, we want you to share, but at least still buy some. When you see say share for our guest, you say okay. Tent, Jackie not bring money, we will take carry tents. Share, Jackie not carry share. He not carry canopy, nothing carry. Because of say our mom don't already cry put that time of my father time. We don't want to make that shame come from my mama. We cover her for her. And me myself, my spirit was not even wanting me to cover it for her. I want her. We not be only me one self, but my other siblings. Did only this one where they here with me, and the other one where they Nigeria, why I see no direct. Now even they want, they tell us say, oh no, more we leave her, more we just leave her, we don't try reach now, may we just leave her, may do the burial, may do one. We be one all our grand say, oh chiku we buy school, oh chiku we buy school, all na be canopy ore. All na take be canopy ore. We be don't put hands like that. Say now that dustbin where they that school premises. Where they outside there, now that does be now Jackie could put the canopy do the burial for a mama. But because of the rest one was like crying, saying no, I beg, because of mercy. Mom just that's all one of us come look ourselves, go call out, come look ourselves. Say, our mom is our mom really try for us, eh? Say mama they take our children. Our mom still try for us. When I see the house where they burn us first, where be like say now only us with the light where they that place, where they take the seeds for that place. We don't let people see their papa nyash. Now we don't make them not see their papa nyash. Our mom to try for us, my dear people. We can't look at our mama and say no, let's just forget about it. Now we take accept into inside the tent where they inside the school where Kola carry. Kola come occupy the whole space for the school. In short, Kola come carry the classrooms where they the schools. Come carry the classroom go put for the mama house. Use all the school premises. Do you understand, my people? So as we come there inside floor, they dance now. Let me tell you, because I know a lot of people go notice that things. We they dance for inside floor now. Jackie, they call Jackie, make Jackie come dance with Egbe, with all those things, so that we rest go follow her. Jackie, this is wife wey die, so carry bag, all the arrow, carry bag of money, we want to pick money. If Jackie picking carry bag, we want to pick money, follow Jackie. Now I go tell my senior sister, where they call Ebu Rio, because only that one, now I see they look like person for inside the family, for the women. Now only she they look like person. For the women as a whole. For the women as a whole. Now only she now they look like person. Yes. Just that you just join their gang. See, you understand? I know why they make it. Now I can go tell her, say, see, oh, if you don't want to fight for this premises now, go tell Jackie now with one of my other stepmother, where you come be like, say, although we that one, I can't tell they say, if you don't want that fight where it happened before, may it happen. When I go tell Jackie, say, money where Egbe, Ioma, do you only do all these people where they do Egbe, Miti, my mama, this thing, we want to play for Jackie. Now we want to pick up. Now we want to pick that money because now money we spend for this place. Jackie Kobo, you know, they now 400,000 Jackie bring for traditional. Now they die put. Now that traditional where Jackie pay for that casket. Oh, now the money reach. The money not reach this place. If they don't want me the thing cast now, may I not scatter everything where I use my hand tape 2 for year, where I sell my property for so. If they don't want make I scatter that, may they go tell Jackie, may he tell his wife and his stupid daughter, may they throw away that rubber back for their hand before I call Jonah for that floor now. Now those who have to choose wrong, go tell Jackie. Coordinate, coordinate. You know, say true. You know, put money join this funeral. You know. So, Egbe Osula, Egbe Ugo, Egbe, now hold they call that mama side. Egbe Idu Osula, you see, almost 6 plus club, almost 7. Where that big one pack the most small money with this also work us spray. So they got to say, you know, go there your custody. Do you understand? So now your siblings will pick that money. He got to give the here because you know what? Make shame, because he knows say I stubborn it's like that. Why yeah, everybody go use a matter, you go use matter beat me today. I go see stand my card. You think if I never do it, I want to finish. My eye not declare. That was me back there. Now see I see beating now. Imana we ni our egg man. Now all of the begin go tell her. He go to do a bar to eat. So as he never tell his wife now where he carry the bag of where what they pick money now, he never tell his daughter to stop now. The only one don't see now don't hear the message. As they call us now, call her. He don't enter stay, me come with her. My sister now, that my sister Ebuwa, dog say, okay, may Kukuma just pick the money. Ebuwa Kukuma carry rubber bag. Call one of my girl, may follow her. You know, call people where go they pick the money for grant they give her. So now so they can't send her. Without my stepmother can't send everyone like that. And so everyone come follow also. We can't do. Osula na do gbe. As they pick money, his wife want pick the money. He don't want pick money. They put her for the rubber bag. Now everyone tell them say, put her down. He carry the one way wife don't pick. He carry the rubber bag. So where for inside the one way she go. Carry the one way daughter don't pick. He so where for inside the one way where she go. So later they call the wife call they talk to the husband for years. The husband they say that one he call they use eye they tell they say they no pick money. Understand? So now so we take pick Osula one. They call it call Egbogigo. Make they come out. Egbogigo wants to come out. His wife sister will be pastor. Yeah. Wait. What they call this woman? That woman can't come out. They want to pick money. This is why sister will no go agbe. The ancestors here ya moro. No ladia, no more kesinya ladia. That lady can't come out, want to pick money. That lady now, Now so I called use I tell her say make drop that money. I can't use my mouth to talk to the two women and say, yeah, drop the money. Now my sister Ibu call because they will not say as I use mouth to talk to them, I go feel embarrassed them so well. That one not want that one because that one no say I dey skip, you know. Now that one called they say make the no vessel say no be their right to pay the money. Now she they say make pick all the money wey then only Jackie friend money and they want pick for this dance. Only Jackie friends money now they entitled to pick for this dance. That one come make them, he come enlighten them, come let them know. You understand? So people they call the pick money, they come put it for them. So now after we don't pick all the money for Egbe, Idun and every other association and they concerns my mom, we don't pick that money. Now we call it Jackie. They do play, they dance. So you call they get freedom. Now all your friends now call they go they meet up with go they spray for her. Oh, that's the way Jackie can't do again as commander when he call himself, when he never command himself finish. When they call me, make I come dance. I they busy, they put the caterer, we call her carry, that one don't see the stupid, they do so hard there, do you understand? And they put in they put in something in the order. They can't call me. Before I run later stage, I just dance finish like that. I come out. Do you understand? They can't call the one where I senior. For them to call the one where I senior direct, when they're supposed to let her dance, Jackie give her 15 minutes. He tell the NC, make that one dance for 15 minutes. Basically, the one where I senior direct, no matter say she know that bring that plenty money where the all of us support. The little she had, she cleared that. She Zaza account like this. She Zaza, Ona Zaza, say somebody support of here. Or when Ona Zaza make sure say she support massively. All her friends will follow her come. Jackie give them 15 minutes. It's only 15 minutes for her to dance. I get cry. Lucky when Jackie get for that moment. I know I wasn't there when she did dance. I dey fight caterer for her side there. Now when she don't dance finish, now she call they tell me say where I dey. He say wetin Jackie do am. Jackie bury her when he put money, when he excuse herself, when he pay money. Jackie they give her 15 minutes to dance. Jackie wey no put cover for this place where we dey so. He say no, this embarrassment is too much for her. She cry. Now I say na so he do. I say why no come find me? Say they find me they go. They find me they go. Now I say why? Wait, Kola no come my house because Kola carry all the Benin finish, all the Benin. Kola invite all the Benin. Even go reach London. Kola invite everybody. If you see Kola stage, the stage. Kola finish Benin. That one no matter. Does everybody carry cross? So the thing come pay the girl. Now I call Ola. Then the rest one call and say okay. If they call them, she go still join the dance so that the quarrel will not go quarrel. We see the men of our quarrel no see come. Like me na, Niji my even no yeah. Niji my mama no dey feel love for where in there. Where mama no feel love for the day. Say see the children where he cover. See wetin we call the excuse ourselves. As we go reach the other one side again, you still give them 15 minutes for 3 of them to dance. Because those one can't join all day together. I wish we still having much time. He was using all those time to dance for Beckley's side because now Beckley's mostly they play for that place. So if they use the time, they dance. Any of your friends when come, everybody see they dance. See they use mama, they collect money for that place. See the mama they collect money for that place. He can't give 15 minutes. Now I'm waiting tell NC, now NC go do 15 minutes for the 3 of these people. My sister where they journey where he spend a lot of money. Although that one not get a lot of friends, but at least he get our families where he still love her. He get people where he still know for that Nigeria where he love her. He get friends where he there by my side where he love her, where he wants to dance with her. Do you understand? Even the one where they pass, where be pastor, yeah, that one not still mostly get, they not get many friends. But he get the husband people where he follow her from that place come. You understand? They get people where follow them from data, friends where they don't mingle with, where he still come because of them from different places. Do you understand? Our last boy we don't even know any person, but he get my family. He get family where love her, where wants to follow her dance. He get a lot of people where wants to show love to her. That's it, love. Do you understand? Jackie pack all of their heads together. Give them 15 minutes to dance. Now I tell them say no, we don't play. that time we come honor that is we say come here that is the thing meet me there. So I those one stand dance now. I come push the other of my sister join them. So they call the dance. We can't use more than 15 minutes. Famous now play for us. Famous now we play famous. Why we go carry play with now later now famous know what they talk so. Famous now me tell caller say caller please. This only backlist where you carry for us so. Jackie go use backlist, you know go let us dance. You say make we know the verse again, make we do everything, no call no come. Me our mama no dey, me no dey cry for him for graveyards where he dey. Why you go carry only backlist? May play for all of us for here. Jackie no go allow us do wetin we want to. No go allow us dance, use our opportunity. Other musician there where you know say they free, where go fit come. Caller say he don't talk to another musician. That one say they get show. Don't talk to more than two. They talk to who you get show. Talk to the other one that they get show. Say me if I try famous. Now it's come call famous. Famous cause he no get show. Anything where you caller get me they give her. That's how you know say go settle your boys. Now caller say caller cutler say go give her 200,000. Cause say okay. You understand because all of them are musician and so we did one. The music feed. You must support. They support each other. You understand? So they know they task themselves. Now the money where they take they carry so if they some way not get instruments, the money they want to carry instrument, then they go ask you. So when you get instrument, they will tell you the money where they want to pay their boys because they don't know whether they will really see money where they go spray, whether they will see spray money. You understand? That is why they only the task less. Them of course they be like say cost me give her 200,000. 200,000 be like say me give her. Call tell me say spray will say give her 200,000. I say okay, maybe if I give her 100,000, like say na 100, I call him 100,000. So now famous na we come put famous just na the a day before that day now we book famous a day before that day now we book famous so we come put famous journal na famous na come dey play for us now so opportunity na more na dance na time dance you no get right to come here come tell una say more na dance 15 minutes who how be YG na because I no dey there when the one wey I see no direct dance na I make am say he stop una so na true we can't use that opportunity we can't dance well now well before we pay famous that money e even take time I think say I don't e be like say I don't reach Europe here before I send money come go give famous make all give famous e even though I be like say I don't reach Europe here before I come pay famous because I tell Kola say make go tell Jackie you see as now say there was no quarrel we do the thing peacefully you understand we allow her now even our food our drink our people no Kola na easy fuck up because as we carry that caterer, Kola carry another caterer for a way yes they use. Do you understand? But when we go take Kola say we won't carry another one because this caterer no go reach all of us wey dey inside this tent o. I know how my family e do orima. If you do egbeni mekelati egbon ame mekelati. I know how they be. So when we carry another caterer, he said no. We me and my sister wey dey Germany can't even bring money come out. That very day where we do our mama funeral for inside school, they will they do the party. We can't go mission road. Me and my younger sister go they buy drink, buy water, buy drink, buy water because the one way we donate money, where Kola go buy, we don't know whether Kola go allow us get access to all those things where party don't start because now people now Kola put for that place. Do you understand? So because people wey Kola put for them, they will think say na Kola now he get the money, now they do the bed. They don't know say now we put hand for Kola body. Now we carry chairs, put everything, gather Kola. A Kola they are using sweating me. Yeah, for the bay. We can't enter. That Kola call us say where we dey. Now say we dey Mission Road. We dey buy drinks and water, everything. Do you understand? Now Kola call us say, "Me not buy, me not buy, me not buy, me they come." Already we don't buy more than almost 1 million stuff drink because that my sister now where they Germany. If they talk about because they be Christian, you know what buy alcohol, you know what buy alcohol, they buy soft drinks, they buy soft drink, they buy soft drink, buy soft drink. So now me come buy alcohol plenty because people know will just come party, but they don't go drink alcohol. Me come buy alcohol, young. But she was funding for soft drinks. And so we take back and come the school. As we read the school, Kola come see and Kola say why we go they spend another money won't forgive her, me pay the what they call her, the decoration finish, where decorate the tent. When we go give her, me we pay what they call her, this people where carry drum for a hand. Pay influence, what they call her, famous finish. we go use am go buy drink again. Say he buy drink, whether me not see this truck wey dey here, say na drink full am, the money wey we donate, na he take buy all this drink. Say friends even support am. Now we say because the party don start now, wetin happen for my daddy home, we no want make it happen for this one. Guys, double tap if you know you are hearing me, double tap, okay, so that make dem no put this video down again. I no wan come back another third time again. So but this message, this wetin my spirit want me to say today, I go finish am. So now so Kola come tell me say no come tell me say we no want make it happen for daddy home, make it happen because we come dey find drink wey we want to serve our guests, which now we pay for all these things. You no suppose be like that. The people wey you put for there come dey use the drink, they serve your people as far as na you get those things. So we no want, and that is why we go carry Billy and that my sister wey dey Germany come go carry drum. We take, I be like say we take out of his own drum, put am for that back of the tent, so that the drink wey we buy come, we just want to avoid trouble. We just want to avoid say problem will come, they will all of siblings will come, they fight again. That is why me and that one come think and say, more will carry out of his own drum, put am near our tent there, put this drink wey we buy for inside, so that we go fit use am dey serve our guests before they bring that drink wey put for truck. Kola come say no, more carry the soft drink go put am for inside that drum wey we put, come allow say come carry the all the beer and the red wine wey we buy. He come carry all those ones, put am for inside the drum again. Come only leave the soft drink for us to put near for inside the drum wey we put near the tent. That's why they tell you 10 of capacity of, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's 1,000 capacity or 500 capacity. Now that tent be 2 drum. Come say we put that soft drink wey we buy, we put am for inside there. You come carry the beer and the other beer, red one, everything we buy, come put am for inside the truck. That thing wey we dey avoid, make you not to chew apple, say we come dey look for drink, because you choose to stay apple for inside that place. People, bastards of my papa children wey Kola put for there, and boys wey dey work, dey follow Kola like a oga wey he put for that place. Come dey look and say na Kola na he get those drink. Do you understand? Na Kola people na he want to serve. They come dey even dey stop my sister wey I senior. They stop that one not to give am to take drink for that motor. They stop me not to take drink. Me now as Agberu wey I be, I cut am for them. As I cut am for them, now one of my papa pikin wey be my best friend, Dick come and say, sis, wetin dey happen? Now when the pikin come in and say, Martin, you dey craze. Sister DJ, they tell you make you give am drink. You dey tell them say you want to go ask Kola first. Ask Kola for wetin? Hey, you go dey talk say, no, just know wetin Kola talk na they then come push am comot for road. That one come say how many crates you want? That one come back and come out. That was initially what we were avoiding. That makes me and that my sister wey dey Germany go dey buy other drinks just to avoid trouble. But still, Kola still comot that alcohol wey we throw inside for the drink wey we take buy. He comot all the beer and the red wines, the cartons, comot and store am again for that trolley. Which people wey all my family, all Egbe, different kind of Egbe, my mama side, my papa side, he do for the both side, he do for the meeting dance for my papa, my mama, our friend and well wisher, na inside that tent, all of them, my papa family, na inside that tent, everyone dey. Only people wey dey outside wey Kola dey entertain, na Kola meeting. Kola dey more than 20 meetings. Kola dey different kind of associations. Kola get friend busy for that Edo state. Na they dey outside there. Do you understand? With that trolley van. But people wey dey inside that tent no get food, no get drink wey they want drink. Now everybody dey drink soft drink. Not be everybody dey drink soft drink. Wey Kola say we put near our tent. Now all of us now come dey stand up to try to go to that coin van to go carry drink to serve people wey dey sit. Mama children, we no even sit down. Say we only dey we ota wey dey na. But to be my wife here, we all of us dey waka, dey serve people, dey make sure say people dey okay. If this one reach where that coin van reach, or Kodoni Viere, the other one go reach where coin van dey, he go from there cry come. The other one reach where caterer wey Kola give us reach, he go from there cry come. If this one reach there, even the caterer want bitter. Now we spend money, now we dey use as slave. Because Kola let them know, get they were feeling like it's a corner, now he pay everything, now he do everything. There was other caller service. There was other caller service and Jackie service also. We make sure say our mama finish that because they all cry, because they cry. They pet ourselves. Because they pet ourselves. Now later, caller, when I say that my younger sister, they go tell caller say, where the drinks, where people when you put for drink and food, go tell them, or go talk to them now. Say your people where they canopy, where they 30 years, make they begin to serve them now. If not, they want for. Now that one go tell them, go put everything straight for their ear. Say, dear, wanna face that, wanna leave the outside, wanna face this canopy, wanna face this 30 now, who that 30 now, yeah, I got wait 30 now, yeah, I'm the Lagos Street. Why can't you wait 30 by more than Lagos Street? Oh yeah, go before they come, they serve people where they tent. Initially, they were not serving people where they tent. They were the people where they tent will not be only our side. That is our side where the guests they. This Jackie's side for tent, they serve Jackie's side. It was that is the one. I don't know how Jackie said one anyway. They go just they give Jackie the upper hand over us where Jackie no pay one cup, but Jackie pay only 400,000 for traditional rates. You know, they call they serve Jackie first for inside that tent. See, call the bless us now. You know, but because of our mother is too lovely. Our mother too good. My family, my father family go testify how good is my mom. My mom is too good. Now we call the BA. The BA, we can't do everything finish. We can't do the burial finish. Jack cannot put money. Now later we call the year say the wife now call the cloth where we carry. I sit on cloth where we carry for my mama funeral. The wife come to say cloth. Who they sell cloth? He want buy cloth. Because okay, may they buy because for my back burial. Jack he tell the wife and his children, tell the family may they not buy clothes. Jack not sew for clothes. He not buy. Now first caller come first sew. Caller first go sew cloth on Jackie behalf. Caller first to sew cloth for Jackie. Make wait today amu boko. Ona ya force ona support Jackie. Make wait today amu boko. Jackie be one just wear rubbish the way they dress. Come our funeral like slave, like she say I don't care. Caller be on his behalf. Caller sew the cloth who carry sew up. Give Jackie say be joy. Make wait amu boko. Ona mo joy. Now I see Jackie wear cloth where we wear together for my papa funeral. Mama, no, she say Jackie he wear ordinary black t-shirt. Jackie wear ordinary black t-shirt with black trouser. Jackie wife where he die so call sew for the cloth, sew for his children. Jackie tell the wife and his children make they go pull that cloth where they wear. Why they go sew for inside the cloth? Why they go follow us sew cloth? As may her soul rest in perfect peace because he had to be born with the healing injury because it's time away one. Oh, he is down. He is so my way. Oh no, don't know where married now. They see, and I'm not. There's no way. Leave this man and get your life. You said no. What do I know? This woman, because a book can make me shy. I yet a born regularly. This useless woman. Cause he go pull that cloth when you wear. You don't wear out for that day or for inside that party. You go put because that can tell us say why you go follow us wear cloth where we saw. As stupid as she is, she went and changed that cloth. Change the children home also. She go change the cloth. Wear ordinary cloth where Jackie wear too. We change his own children home. They can't say it. Don't give me can't say we my Jackie now. When the Jackie need say they honey. They can't decide that also nobody they punish that very day. Our children, we not bring children come. The rest of us, now only in one. Now I bring children. And that's why I bring children. Two children come. Could you know so inside that tent so all these are good when not thief the bill, they beat those children when they bring for abroad, they beat them. Because there was no way to recognize because they don't dress like people where you say and then they do something. They beat them for inside that tent. They beat those two boys. One of my stepmother then the pass one. Now that one with the pikin. Now he say they want fight for that those children when all those people will attack them, want collect their phone for their hands. Those ones say they want fight for them. One of him best side of a sister to this girl wey born for Jackie, so wey be wife, so wey die, so come attack that my stepmother and his daughter for inside that dance. Fight come burst. So he come be saying that my stepmother wey be her pass one with that his useless daughter Iya. Now he come fight with Jackie with his wife sister. Now they come fight that day. That fight wey we sef dey make that fight no come, make the fight no come. See the witches now, the two witches now, they call the fight for inside that place. But for us now, we no go fit join Jackie wife sister. No, we join my papa side because why? You no get right as Jackie wife sister to fight in this funeral. To even you know say this one na my papa people. For you to fight them, you don't get right. We just quarrel with them. We separate them, let them rest. We don't even put them for high, say, why they come fight for our party. We don't even put them for high. We let them do what they want to do. So far, they allow us do the burial. We not, nobody die, follow the mama. You understand? We are content with it. That is how my problem and Jackie problem began. Now some people will love me. Now they call me after God already called me for this way. Come they call me, they tell me say, sis, no verse so before I dey verse for you, see wetin when Jackie in short, there was one, I don't call the brother name because one brother talked to me, the thing pay me that they shall, he pay me because that thing the way Jackie go, they talk about me, the way condemn me to that brother for real. I know take it now. If I did so diabolical, maybe I choose pepper body. I will not give Jackie matter to any river or any native doctor to help me to someone and help me by himself. So that brother can talk to me. Even if I say person they talk to that brother, say may not talk to me again. May not explain too much for me. The brother just come close the conversation for somehow, just close it. Not come talk about much. But the thing where I want hear, I don't hear for the brother much. So other ones where they come in, want to know, sweetie Jackie talk, Pemi, come to tell me I not take off my mama, we don't take off our mother, we suffer our mother till my mother die, my long go only say, now they carry the cross, now they do this one. I want let you know say Jackie might be your listen. Jackie or might be your listen. Ever no come and say Jackie marry Nigeria. Jackie, he go the house in mama food to eat. He go the house in mama money to buy fuel, to buy cloth, to buy fuel, to buy cloth, to travel, to eat. The mama they fund for her. Or the one who they give her mama. Mama no they eat. Anyone who they bring, mama will save and say Jackie go come now, go see us. Or say they hey Jackie, I'll be reba, no vie, or mama no vie. Now so, mama to do follow Jackie. So una when Jackie carry my matter, call the tell now. How una see this matter? Me and Jackie, who take care of our mother? Me and Jackie, who take care of Papa? Mona tell me. But when they see Jackie, they carry big car. Now don't see me drive car. Have you seen me showcase car? Have you don't see me even call they carry? They call they showcase one. I say I get one mighty house for Nigeria. Have you seen me so? All because of my parents. Let me say I not get. Let me say my God not bless me because of where I come from. But Jackie na person wey be like say he himself na witch. He carry in mind put am for you for a back. Anything Jackie acquire from all these ladies is for himself alone. He not spend that for his mama. He don't spend that for you, Papa. So if you know where be ladies where they feel say now una can't do burial for my mama, now una do burial for my papa. Osula, or my negbe, or one way burial near the gene. Even was a kia, a carry Jackie wa ya me. Or what ya me say. And the 24-bit also, let me tell you, my brother. I know say you don't try for Jackie too well. I know. Let me say what I know here. You say una don't even tire for your body self. I know. Go wait am without where can but I see the hear from una side. I dey hear am. Una don't tire. It's better when they tell am to his face now when they gossip am for back. Because any person that can gossip you in your back can easily poison you. Yes, na be bad friend. A friend that cannot sit a friend down and brainwash and give her sense of life. Not be friend. So I want let una know say money wey una donate for her. For my papa, my mama, e no reach our pockets. Na Jackie pocket alone, that money for die. E no reach our pockets. So mona no come dey from there dey look say una contribute to my papa funeral or una contribute to my mama funeral. No. You want ma say na. Obe Jackie wa na ya gwa le go wa. O wa si go ya. So any person that is blaming this case wey come out so where those siblings throw their senior sister outside, any person wey dey blame them, abeg first go kill your papa, kill your mama first. May you see wetin your mama, your papa use cloth take cover. May you see wetin your mama, your papa use cloth take cover before you can judge those siblings. They did very well. They did very well because that's the way they do so. It go make a lot of senior brothers and senior sisters to be tightening their belts, to know what to do at the early time. Yes, they must use one to make example. And they use their senior sister to make example. So una no like her. Una want remain blind. Una want remain blind. Una no know say una mama, una papa know that they suffer for now. If you are not a senior born, that thing you are suffering alone with your parents now. They are not going to leave one cover for you for it. Your parents, they are not going to leave anything for you. You know what it reach my hand? Wetin my sisters, they come bring and come out. May I tell you now wetin reach my hand? As we don't finish burial now, they won't come out, my sisters. Me not care. I see say they come open my mama cupboard. Even my brother Jackie, even they follow or they drag my mama clothes. Then they will say, hey God, they will be more patience or they be enough one. I tell you now, when they born stupid children, when I know they bonbon, they carry bonbon like that too. When I know they carry the bonbon like that, now many children when God don't punish for heaven, when God they throw, they come to this earth like goats. Now how they produce, they give us for this place. So. But I know they born children where is wow. Even go reach rapper, Jackie go they follow all the drag rapper. My younger ones they can't come here or say sister, they want all of them the near to come out. Their time they go, they want come out. So they need to bring out my mama wardrobe down. They will share the wrapper. Now only that one we get for the house. Since Jackie exactly as mama died, Jackie don't pack load come out for where in day. Jackie build the house for you. You know Jackie know they collect money for a woman without you know build that woman. Point of correction, you people make I let una know that. Cause where if for still good, I go sit tell una. All these girls wey una see say they clear where me sana no they chop me. May they chop me well. Me I dey spend for man well. Me no man can afford my beast. Now the way they take create me be that, the way they take born me, that be me. Now me be man, I me be woman on my own. I never carry any man come and call the throw stone for them say that so this man chop me. Wetin I give am with love? Wetin I give the man with love? Now I call the carry and come and call the talk say that man chop me. No man. Man don't shop me too. So let me tell you now, when they come and say now so Jackie shop this one, Jackie they shop woman money. Jackie know they shop woman money without building that woman. Jackie they build them. They build them. Who be this one? Jackie they build them. All the wife where Jackie, where born for Jackie, all the girls where born for Jackie. You understand? Both the one where you see the friend, Jackie they follow, they invest. He go make sure say they get house, they build a house. Hey, the one we want to do business, they go follow them build dreams life. They do, but they build us. Get us as you know see Jackie. They build us. Need us. What you just need cars, big cars. Big cars. Now he need cars and clothes. Now what in the life that one? I say, what he say he can do for life. Or why a portion here, or we motor no concon, or a portion here, keko on a job, or where you do work more. So any woman where they support her, where they give her money, if they make sure say that woman they build, they get property. That one good for that one. e good for that one. So I no go say because say me and he know dey play say make I come talk say he no gbiyan gbisa ọma gbiyan ọpa gbisa because ọma gbọ́ piaju wa bo in my presence. This is wife wey die don talk say the other one wey dey this Lord so this one the one wife wey dey wey die so now this one money na dey take carry that one take on, but Jackie lie to us say na that one sister na carry am. The house where this one wey die so build for that Edo state na Jackie with that one dey stay for Nigeria before Jackie carry am come the same Italy. As you hear, before he carry that one come the same Italy. So Jackie build those how that one still called Jackie build house for that one, build for this one. So now when trouble come, everybody go leave their house. How Jackie trouble inside the heat, Jackie don't already get it for the be like say this one now wey die so be like say don sell property, you know. I be like so Jackie no come get house where they stay, he can't go rent house for that Benin. So sometimes go stay for hotel. So as opportunity mama don't die now. Ọma eke na ya mo date ni je na ya ije Jackie don we share man na we mo ka egbe we wa we ni mo do opaki eke ke egbo no jerere opaki ya aje wa ije la gbon Jackie ma do taki je wo wa ni because room plenty. Jackie get room, I get room, Kola get rooms. Room plenty for inside the house. Mama dey house, Jackie no come sit down for that place say may he come dey from mama ask the tribe or the go show. He was living the money we wanted maintain my mama ask that time. They use that they pay for hotel. They use that they pay for hotel. They use that go they carry ask wey person don't build and quit theirself. They use that go they pay. Wetin come take am say that money wey they go they quit person's house or use that they pay for hotel. You no fit use that maintain your mama house. They own house that time. Ona dia men go wa dele kujo gun. Wa na dele jijo wa. Ame maro wani. Dijagi gune wo degi marinu beto wani ne agiri nu beto wani make wa wana reju pa le dege ne upa le ro ne bo gima o viere le ke upa no ba o gima o we ko gima ya bego de side oge Jackie na o wa rise na. Na so Jackie come pack in load, come sit down, come carry my mama picture. Go one side, come put it home. Now, if you enter house now, Jackie picture you dey see for that place. People wey don't go there go visit Jackie, na know wetin they talk so. If you just enter now, if you enter, if they come my mama house now, you enter the parlor now. First picture you will see before that picture, and mama where you that picture, that's your picture there, and my mama picture there. If you enter house, you will see mama picture. Jackie carry mama picture, go put the other side. Put mama picture, mama picture we see there. You put her for the other side. Go put you for the center now. When you just enter the house like this, you are seeing Jackie Sula there, picture. On your belly. On your monate be sagi how when it sagi moe the sagi loy how we sagi ku sagi lo mona pai bi ejagbo ijegi pa no we dege ba we don't renovate the house like go sit down for the house go sit down pity carry piece of for them you begin call they know to enter the house who no call they enter the house begin call they tell us call the lock door for our head. On the lock door for why. The rest people do burial finish, they come on. I know say me go Nigeria, me I dey take my time before I come back home. Because if I go home, I not spend person home for this loop. I know they pay light bill, I know they pay water bill, I know they pay house rent. So if I get opportunity to go home like that, I dey rest my time before I can come back. So as I come there now, Jackie come push to the essay. Jackie push color children, push all of us come up for house. Now only this thing I go make me come back again. If this my phone, because this charger now see na 11%. I think they charge the other one 11%. So let me use and charge this one. Now only this is go carry me come back another day. Come finish this video. If maybe. Jackie called the fight color for that house now. Not be say color they stay. Color initially color they stay with my mama. Before my mama come die, color always stay with my mother. Because the children there with my mother. The children then they take care of my mother. Do you understand? So anytime we color call us, color they stay mama house, they stay hotel. They stay mama house, they stay hotel. Color was there for my mother. Do you understand? So now he come be like say Jackie come pack it out, come they change the pattern of the house now, come put the picture for parlor. He come be like saying we color come be mates now, come be away. We don't so away, no drag go one. Come they can't leg they follow color. I don't know how they take to talk for English. So anytime when they call a day like that between Kola and Jackie, Kola they call me. Only what we are para. Sister, hey, yagbe, hello, Father Wanaji, he got his baby, yagbe, homoswo, how hey, Mama de gear, oh, Tibanda Lagbo dere, and I don't know, he on we now, oh, not you know, not Lagbo dere. He come push collar to the estate in all one. Hey, he be collar Sevilla here like Kishi, okay, he never made us always a bomb. Collar got to go and rent us outside after the burial. I have to no before the burial. Then before the burial, Collar come out, come they cry to me. I come tell Collar say, okay, problem no day. Mo cook my rent another apartment. Collar come say industry apartment. I can't carry my money. Oh, the Sonny and avec bed. I swear avec bouet. This thing I they talk. I want more than see come out because all of them get platform. Hey, came in now your why not bet me some. I want to tell. I don't tell ya because a spirit no lead me. And if I don't finish everything that I went through in life, I will not stand to carry my success. I will not stand to carry it. I won't finish everything I went through in life. So this is my mouth. They open now for me to open. I expect everything that I went through in life. Can you hear me? So that one, I can't send money, can't give her. May go carry house. Come to send the money, come put the journal. He can go rent house for that my mama street. That is Mama Road, Savior Road. That one can carry house because of the heat where Jackie they give her. Sometimes Jackie want travel. If you want travel, go Lagos, go show. Jackie go even lock key. He go lock the full house. When you know say color children dey that house, you know say color dey house. You go carry key come. You go carry key. Either you carry am come or you go give one girl wey in the fork there, wey they call me and say girl na happy. You go cause if you go maku. You go give that girl key. You know. So color sometimes color go come for outside. Go see say they lock door everything. Because they give them problem. I call the pet that one. The pet am they no fight. But that one be one just made their two face their body. The thing does some that one. Ni wa gbe ni wa jewo. You know you dey money ni gbe na. I can't send down money, make them go carry us. That one go carry us before we come here, come down, come to Mama burial. That one don't carry us. So that's now. After we don't do burial, I call her with the children. Come later pack their thing. Come they stay. Jackie and I here. You ready to work? Anybody not they enter them. So now before I come out, I can see say one rain come fall. At the rain for the thing, I wake up that night. The rain they fall. Now inside sleep the thing for wake me. I call the cry say now my mama rain the beat for her side there. I was just hearing tears. I say I dey inside house. Mama rain just dey beat that grave. Rain go don't even come out down. My thought was like that grave now water the sand where they put on top now. Rain don't push the water go one side. Once so my mama come out for inside of the ground. I said no. Now the next day I come rush to the compound Mama house. Jackie lock the door. Carry key come out. Now our neighbor the man love me well. Our neighbor, a very old man, he like me well. Saying they use the highway to they look my mama, they look me. Say because my mama was so good to him. Because the man don't get lights for that house at all, they not connect light for her. The man so they build the house most more by himself. They build it. Okay, don't know where they book it. Or he go no be mirror or any way can done it. Or we go here bog it. Or man bog. So, but my mama now they already give her lights. You know, if they need food, mama they support her. So that high when the man they look my mama, the man can use and they follow me. Cause now let me one. Although say I they smoke, I they drink. Mama, the man say now let me one see for mama children. Where get heart of good. You understand? So as I come, the man come tell me say he come drag me come inside. Say he say why you la why? Not where we cook ba. What the work beside you cook? You tell a boy one day he be go meet and one day say may he give her key so that sometimes he go come dey sweep the house. You understand? Because you know they like the way the compound be sometimes. Say you know answer. Now I say okay. May I call Kola? I call Kola. That one don't travel. Kola, this is that place. Rain will fall. I not like her. I want set this grave because they say this rain will still fall today. Either this rain beat me and my mama for this outside today. Me and not they leave this place. Kola say okay, sister. May he send only way day with her because he just knew rich. He never get money. That one come say be like say now 50,000. Come send her for me. I call the one with the Jamie. That one come say sister. They just need come. He never still get money. That one cost he send 100,000, 50,000, something like that. Because he send come give me. So the rest people, they cost he send small one where they get. I can't have my own. I can't go buy zinc, buy wood. I can't call the one. The one can start work that day, that next day. Come they mow down. As they do, I can't they do live video. I sit down they do live video, they work. Now one girl come enter my live stream. That girl they follow me before. Well, may God bless that girl for me. God will bless that girl so much for me. That girl come enter my live screen. That girl come. As I call the talk, say, "I'm not support me." Oh, that girl come tell me, "Make I drop my account." And next year, I just see a lot. As I see that video, I just see a lot. She just send me 300,000. Now I come they pray for her. I say, "Thank you. God will bless you." Hi, I know I spend the money. Oh, I say this thing go a long way. Oh, I come happy. I come carry the money. God give a power. Yeah, let's go and buy the instruments. When we never reach. This thing we must today we go finish. I mean, I don't know, say not be one day work. I was thinking that if they can't, they do and they will just cover her so that they at the end they can still do and cover half. But the rain where I don't expect may still bitter. The rain still fall, still bitter. Until I come they do and color they come they support small. All of us come gather and I come build down to my extent. Say where rain not go dey bitter before we do and to the end the way we want them. So I come out. As I come out, I come from here. They send money. They give color. None of the year and so come from here. They send money. They give color. The rest now not come even. They not come even the support again. So now me I color now. I come they send money. Go they give color to the build that place. If you not see my wife very grand now, other you na Jackie, even when I was there, they do and so I even show now for video why I do that time when I did Facebook. I even show now when I sit down. They do the way they work. Jackie. So they where go even greet people where they work for that graveyard. Jackie was busy calling the mechanic where want repair a car. Come busy, they call the mechanic. They come out the whole tire. They work in his car on his car. English, shut up. Come they work for his own car. They do mama this thing grave. You know, even see me greet people where they there where they walk or may say sis you do well. On a the alpha, on a dolly motor. Okay. And that as they say a person if he call like that, he call us Jackie go just drive there, he go park his car. You know, go even go meet his mama grave, may he not, may he sit down, may he ask mama, he don't eat. That time when go they ask her, say mama, I need money for fuel. I never eat. Jackie now no go they go there, now go they ask mama, give me money for fuel. No. Because on her one wound, just that way is now madam adamant who cares Michael or would you know they feel they look that side. They say go just drive motor, go just park the entire house. On a jeep or Joe I made the pan and moko that one moko. One day me and he commit body. Before I come out. That day I want use that even fight and say. One guy where they talk to me, the guy come. As the guy come carry me, we go eat. So the guy come, I can't carry the guy. Get him in the room while they sleep. Jackie come meet me, say the guy come because the guy know him. The guy come hide. When Jackie they know, say, where me dey? Because they find me. I say, me come in now for that ass. As I do the bury ground, I call the sleep there. Do you understand? Because I don't want me a miss one day. Me a to go they buy the thing. I call the sleep that place. Sleeping that place. If I don't see anybody where follow me sleep that ass with Jackie, may Jackie not come rape me or may not come stab me. Do you understand? I was afraid. So that the day where this boy come, where I keep the boy, say the boy wants sleep for that place, but I keep the boy tight because the boy has no far for that place. So that if the boy want drive go his house, you go know say na the middle of maybe 4 o'clock any day don break no fit sleep by me no be say na me attack come sleep for that house again do you understand. So I was keeping time wey that boy no comot because that girl wey dey call happy wey the jack dey nyash that girl come follow friends go party. The girl no sleep with me now because the girl begin dey sleep with me for that place. So the jack dey find me up and down that night. I no know wetin dey find me for. Whether na that night he wan accomplish wetin he wan come do for my body finish, I no know. Na there the boy come hide. No, as Jackie dey push my door, the boy come hide. And the boy hide. Jackie go ask me, so who person? Me and him. Hide. Who get that car wey dey outside? Who person me and him dey house? That's why they ask me who person me and him dey house. You understand? Who person me and him? That's why the boy make the boy come out. He say why the boy hide? Then the boy say because he knows you not just want trouble. You understand? Whether you don't know one. Call they vibrate. Make the boy get out. I can't follow the boy come out that night. I can't follow. For me to sleep for that house, I have to because it was around 2 o'clock. I have to go with the boy. I can't make the boy carry me go this man hotel where they already stay. I can't go that man hotel. That's what we say. Come on for that thing. I can't try. Nah, that day I not going to stay for that house again. I can't go stay for where I stay because I call side where you rent that they stay. You understand? But because I say make a quick wake up, since a part na my neighbor, if I quick wake up, go wake up, I'm gonna go buy what you want buy. Then they need to stay there for that few days. So after you don't do that thing for that boy, me and he come call, I come call Uji Talent, come the report to Uji Talent say, this boy now every day since where I come that few days, 3 days where I just stay with him for that house. Now I come see Wetin Kola and his children they complain of. No day wey Jack no dey carry woman dey come house. No day. Don't buy me run on your home. No day wey no dey use woman to sleep. This boy where they tell you like oh we moazen o mo so no o mo spirit ne boy o my we mo spirit ne. One day carry one small girl come. My mind no dey tell me lie. My mind tell me say this girl wey carry this boy carry come. Na spirit o. Na spirit. One small thing like that. He carry her come. He just finish for show. He just come. Now me open door for her. As I open for her, I say carry one small thing come. Since 3 days what I tell every man okay born now have enough. Oh no fat them no fat. Oh no sleep money. Oh money them. Oh what you I say this ass where your mama dead outside. I call the complaint for Uji, not knowing that all those ones don't see talk. They don't see talk to her. You know yeah. That one come verse for her because that day he can lock the gates, carry key come out, and I walk for that place. I dey walk. He can't carry the key come out. As he carry the key come out, I can't call Uji. Uji can't call and say, "May go open door for me," or he go tell me make I break the door. Say why go lock me for outside? You don't know since I dey walk. You know answer that one. Now there I can't call and say, "See what happen." Call say make I break the door. Now I call if I can't break the door. I come break. I can't say if I break I finish. Make I buy another key. Say where I put. If I want come out, I'll give a part the key. If he come, if you see break out, we go the break it. Let it begin to be breaking and entering. We come begin the breaking and entering. That's why I tell you do. I tell you do mama very ground rich. I can't do it to my where my money rich. Cover her so that rain not go the bitter. So get how we want to build it. So I can't come back. As I come back, I begin from here. The same money go give color do and standard to the taste of home. Mama can settle down. Till today, Jackie even get mind go tell you this girl when they go out this Negogbere Ameze. He go tell Ameze with the girl when they defend them for social media. That one couple time for comment section call they insult me say make I go pack my things for her side for Mommy Susie platform. Now that one say write that comment. Which mean myself that read that comment, I know say na Jackie tell that girl say he throw away my things outside. Shop where I get for Benin before, I can't say this shop. Now when I did there, now I feel said by myself get money. The woman where they help me, they look and they even they use the thing, they make sacrifice for a neighbors there. I don't tire for everything. I don't want make I because of things where they person and the Zeboloa. I can't say I want locker. I can't pack the things now. Can't put for my mama house. Go the wardrobe where I use money to buy. Now only my neighbor Jackie come through when those things, both the wardrobe, everything. I don't know the stress where he gets. this thing go cut now. I go come back because now the end now we want reach. So he doesn't give me another 4 minutes to go down. So if you cut now, I will come back again. So now my neighbor, he can't throw away the things. Now I can't call one of my boy. I can't make the boy go meet my carry phone, go meet my neighbor. Can't go give my neighbor phone. Now my neighbor call tell me say, if they find my number, I not see my number. Say, rain. If he say rain, they beat my things for outside. Now he can't call his children, make them come help and pack the things, go inside. My neighbor now he can pack all my things, enter your own side. Because say, but the cupboard too big, he no fit drag her. He no get there, no see my old man. Now he leave the cupboard for that place. My neighbor come carry all my things where they fit carry with his children, come back and perform in your house. For the house when you build, why Jackie don't know how we take build that house for my mama? Yes, the my mama na he carry, na he buy that land by himself where Adigbe give them. You understand? But my mama come build that for, he come build the place for face me I face you. We enter that house when my papa John Isha woman drag my mama head. Hey, mama come fed, we come vex, I come pack my mama things. Mama papa ask that time. Come go stay for my guy where they go out with that time house. From that place, my younger sister come bring money. We come rent house. That I never come Europe. Rent house. From that house where we rent, I can't tell my younger sister say it's better. No, I don't enter Europe. As I enter Europe for the rent where we dey, I can't tell my mama say for me to pay for this rent, he better me the pack enter the house the way she did and reach so. More we use plank take cover the window, cover the door, what would they say for inside, so that the money to pay rent will they use and they build as small. Now mama also say okay, mama come through go park enter inside that place like that. But mama build her face me I face you before, and mama build her, but he never put window, he never plaster her, he just they rough, you understand, with sand for ground, no ground, they never cement anything, you know. Now so we take enter both Jackie they take enter that time. Cause they stay there for them. My mama call they build them. Before my papa come my mama back, come back to my papa house again. For them, my mama cause they build them. Until we can't donate money for my younger sister. We talk to pastor here. Can't donate money plus the money where she just eat. She can't put the money journal. Can't send a husband. The husband they call the party husband that time. Can't send your husband. Can't give the husband the contract. May go build my mama house to our taste. Then they come build that bungalow. Jackie money not there at all for that house. One kobo, one of Jackie, one kobo of Jackie, you know that house. Jackie get mad, throw away my load, put for her side. Mary beat all those clothes, all those hangers. Mary beat all those cupboards, beat all those fans. You know, Ray spoil all those things. A pack of still pack them, put them for your house because a pack house they never even finish them. Anyway, pass it they manage. Have clear space for me. Put the thing for your house. Now the thing called vest collar. The thing vest collar call somebody, call the children, make them go pack the thing. Go that place where you rent. They can go pack them for a pass side. Go collar call vest collar, collar call the cost Jackie. You know, he can't totally till now. Let me they tell you so. Jackie reach that house by force without us not use our mind. Tell us say okay, to Zua. When that we not just free ourselves to her. Say with you guys, we just because that was initially what we want to do. We want just free her for her. Because my no ya over but I great vision no understand all guys my jamais. But all the force yeah photo a landlord by force. Come pack the thing, go for your own house. Do you understand? From there now if color won't go mama grave that place now to go go first call Jackie where you put key you want go there, you want go do something that neighbor thought say the place the house won't even fall the man methodology he want pass one place for that place he want see passion how can I make a gate no be happy go meet happy me happy give you key happy be the sign only the lawa only the polo or we put the grave vision or we do the grave vision okay by one I am waiting today. I had it today. Jackie, one of money of Jackie, not did that my mama house. Bonachi, now he sit down there. Oma Obonak be ma bonek be. Ona amu be moto go ibinedion drag moto na fi. My younger sister where they Gemini they buy car for my papa. Jackie never will use money. Want use money while they buy car for my papa. No way the no make better listen. Oma we are on ajiboya equity be.